You just backed off the edge a little bit.
If you get us up there in these pads right here, it'll drive down. Okay.
That's 6 25 and 3500s today. How you doing today, sir? What's your name?
Richard.
Richard John. My middle name's Richard. It's a good name.
Oh, yeah?
What I could probably do is, you got front hooks on it, right? I think so. Yep. So I can get a bridle on it, and I'd probably winch you up out of the hole, and then I can put a rope on it, and I can pull you there to the ramp. So let me work on getting it hooked up, and we'll go from there, all right?
All right, great.
Yep.
Is a brief construction montage.
All right, so here's our game plan. I'm gonna get some tension on the winch. I want you to keep your wheel straight with me and give it just a little bit of gas. My goal is to try and get you up on top of the sand.
Right.
Then once you're up on top, I'll get a rope on it, like a kinetic rope, and I'll pull you to the ramp, all right?
If you get us up there in these pads right here, it'll drive down. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I drove in, it drives fine. I just got down here too far.
Okay,
Just
yeah.
get me up in these tracks there and we'll take it good.
Okay, all right, sounds good. I'll get you up and then we'll try and move you over there, all right?
Yeah.
See how that goes. All right, camera. Lights, camera, action. Oh yeah. That's how we want them to go. That was like, that's Chevy's 2500 is down south.
Word. I'm gonna have to use your phone.
Dead?
Yeah.
What's it at?
Dead.
Oh, yeah, okay. Alrighty guys, got him up and out, and there he goes. On to the next. See you. Guys, rolling up on like our 4th or 5th big one. What's up, what's up?
Nice, huh?
Yeah. I know, you're down where it ain't too bad either. These things are heavy though.
I came up here and I had to back down. I couldn't get back onto here again.
I gotcha. You got to really get your speed up. Alrighty. Oh yeah. What are you in now?
I'm in 4 high right now.
Okay, probably low, just because sometimes these heavy trucks have, you know, trouble spinning them in high.
The wheels get loaded.
Right. I think because we're on the hard sand, I can get you going with a kinetic rope down here. And honestly, what I'd do is keep you on, and we'll get back up in the ruts, and I'll take you to the ramp and get you out of here, okay? I can't go up this one, but I can go up the next one.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
That one's only a one-way.
I think once you got me out of here and moving, I could probably get up that
I mean, if you want, I can get you on the hard sand here, but, you know, my price covers the concrete in case you get stuck again, you know what I mean? But, I mean, that's your call. It's easier to take it to the ramp and not worry about it, but I can absolutely get you here, and you can get your speed up and see if you can get out of here.
I can't get up into that right there.
Yeah, so it'll make sense. I'll just take you to the ramp, because it's soft all the way there. So once I get it hooked up, you'll basically straighten it out with me.
Yeah.
We'll give it some gas and come here, and then we'll get up in the soft stuff. The only other big thing is, you know, make sure you leave some tension on the line, especially when we come around that corner. I'll take it a little wider than you will until we're up on the concrete, okay? All right. I guess I could winch him out of the hole since I already have it out. All right, so I already have the winch out. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna winch it up out of the hole. It's a slower process just because you're heavy.
Yep.
Same thing, wheel straight with me, a little bit of gas. Once we got you on top, I'll throw the rope on and we'll assist you down, okay? Just a little bit.
Moments later.
Just a little bit.
Moments later.
That thing ain't getting up. True. Same thing, just as easy on the gas. We're trying to get it up on top.
More moments later.
All right, that's good. That's good enough for me. Yeah, at least it's up off the axle. Well, I got the kinetic on now instead of the winch, so I'm gonna give you a little bit of a bump to get our momentum going, and I'll be able to take you down now that you're up a little bit. What we're probably gonna wanna do is stay low side for a little bit and get our speed up, and then right before these people all cut up, help me keep the tension on, but give me some gas and help me get along. We should be all right. Any questions? You good? All right. Go, baby. It always does that. You guys have a great day, okay? Make sure you rinse this thing off real well, of course. I'm glad I could get you out of there. You guys have a good one, all right? All right, hold on. I'm gonna fact check this. And pull up how many of those I've done. We did 20, Chevy 2500, a GMC 2500, an F250, a Chevy 2500. I may have gotten a little bit antsy. We may have sunk her a little bit. A Ram 3500 and another Ram 2500. That's 6 25 and 3500s today. All in Tacomas. Wild. See ya. All right, guys, we were just kind of cruising down the beach here, and it looks like we have stumbled across a railed out Wrangler. So we're gonna see if they need some help. Holy cow.
Yeah.
That's an interesting situation, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Were you climbing up this? Oh, and you just backed off the edge a little bit? Wow. It's probably because it's hanging off the edge.
Yeah, the rail caught up.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
You gotta get that shot. That's your thumbnail right there, dude. It looks like it's falling off the cliff. Wow. No, I think it'll be fine. It's just sand. I think I'm like, Christian, look at this. I'm standing and I'm just like above that. I can look in the sun. I'm like, hi guys. That's too funny. What was your name, man? Sebastian John, nice to meet you. Basically, I use a hitch receiver and get hooked up to the back there. And I'll just want you in reverse with the wheel straight. Give me a little bit of gas and we'll try and back it up real slow, okay? Now I feel like an idiot for not having the Go camera.
It happens.
Yeah, it happens. You know what? I can probably just... It's a Jeep. Alrighty, you have any questions?
Nope.
Alright, we're gonna take it real slow because we're coming down that incline, so just crawl it and we'll stop down where you're flat. You might want to get it from that side where he's falling. I don't know, that's your call, I'm not sure actually. Oh yeah. It's like butter, baby. Oh, and great. Perfect. That went awesome, man. Good job. Oh, cool. I ain't gonna charge it. Hey, you guys have a good day, okay? Make sure you rinse this thing off. Okay. All right. Have a good one.
That was fun.
Yeah. I feel like I need to do a good deed from time to time, right?
Yeah. Crazy angle though.
Yeah. That's a steep wall. All right, guys, got him out. You got to be careful. Christian will show you, that's a pretty gnarly edge that you want to avoid if possible. So, see you on the next one. Unless you're us. Woo!
Subscribe to Stand Ho.
There you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santo, they're best.